All right, we'll try to reestablish that connection and bring you more of an update from the ground, but we'll take you through what's taking place here. The farmers, about 101 farmers from different outfits, they are attempting to march to the capital, but they do not have permission to do so. And this is what the police are constantly reiterating, that because they don't have the permission, they will not be able to go past the border itself. This on your screens right now, these are visuals coming in from the Shambu border. Importantly as well, the farmers are open to talks, but they also say that there's been no outreach by the government at this point, but they're also saying, speak to us or let us go to Delhi. Crossing over to my colleague Tejashree.
That with whose permission these particular, walls and this particular construction has. Farmers कह रहे हैं कि उन्हें अभी आगे बढ़ने नहीं दिया जा रहा।
तो परमिशन नहीं है ना आइडेंटिफाइड बंदे हैं, पता नहीं कौन है, बिना परमिशन के कैसे जाएंगे, बिना परमिशन के आगे इजाजत नहीं है।
आप उनसे परमिशन लेटर मांगे।
हिंदुस्तान के लोग भी हैं, प्रोसेस करने का कानून में अधिकार है कि आप परमिशन लेके ही प्रोसेस कर सकते हो, ये कानून कहता है।
All right, so you see, farmer again the police is repeating the same thing, that they are not allowed to go. The matter of the fact is that as of now they do not know the identity of the individuals also, number one, and number two, they do not have any kind of permission letter also. However, this confrontation is certainly going to escalate because farmers.
So that is the current situation at the Shambu border. The big question now is there going to be similar confrontation similar to what we saw on Friday itself, when there were tear gas shells which were lobbed at the farmers. Over 10 farmers had been injured in connection with those clashes that had taken place on Friday, and that's in fact why the protests had been delayed till today. Now, they were seeking to protest and march to the capital. Essentially, their demand from the centre is that they bring in a law which guarantees MSP, which is minimum support price for crops. Crossing over to my colleague Tejashree.
On ground, and also let me tell you that last time also when this particular area was cordoned off, then a farmer tried to jump from this area. So that is why about this, the rooftop of this construction is also being entirely monitored. Monitoring by drone is also being done. 360 drone monitoring is done, and now farmers are adamant on the fact that no matter what, even if they have to break the wall, they will try to break the wall and march towards the national capital. But again, we'll have to see that how this confrontation escalates, because certainly it is very sure.
All right, so there's an update there. Reportedly, the farmers are going to be trying to break through the wall that has been constructed.